Let us talk about the aromatic reaction exercise. The starting material was toluene. These are different ways of writing the structure of toluene. Toluene can be written this way, or this way, or this way. Equivalent lang yan sila. And we need to remember the substituent effect. Yung toluene, ang substituent is a CH3 group, and its effect is orthopara directing. So, saan ang orthopara? Kung ganito ang pagkasulat ng toluene, ito ang ortho position, and this is the para position. At pag ganito nakasulat ang toluene, ito yung ortho position, ito yung para position. So, reaction with bromine in ferric bromide. Bromine in ferric bromide. So this bromine will proceed to the ortho and para position. This is the ortho product, orthobromotoluene, and this is the para product, para-bromotoluene. Reaction with Cl2 with ferric chloride. Again, ortho and para position. This is your ortho product, and this is the para product. This is nitration, reaction with nitric acid in the presence of sulfuric acid. Ortho and para position, the nitro group will proceed to the ortho and para position. Ito yung ortho, ito yung para product. Okay, this is sulfonation reaction, SO3 with sulfuric acid. The sulfonate group will proceed to the ortho and the para position. And these are the products. This is alkylation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, where this is the alkyl group. Your reactant is an alkyl halide in the presence of aluminum chloride. This alkyl group will be introduced to the ortho and para positions of the toluene. So this is the ortho. You introduce the ethyl group, and this is the para. So this ethyl group is introduced into the ortho and para position. This is Friedel-Crafts acylation, where an acyl group, ito yung acyl group, merong C double bond O, katulad din ng alkylation, kaya lang acyl group ang ini-introduce. So this part here will be introduced to the ortho and para position. So in here, these are the products, the ortho product and the para product. You produce a ketone.